I'm going to show you guys how I used AI and ChatGPT to save hours of work, get better results, and at the end of the day, make more money. You can see here there's a little bit of a down period here in May, and using ChatGPT and the different prompts I'm going to give you, and we can see that there's been an uptick, in these coming months and going up now. I'm going to go over different prompts that you can put into ChatGPT or any other AI system that you can use so that way you can see an improvement of your results I have here. So let's get right into it. I'm using the free version 3.5. I have yet to use GPT-4. However, I'm sure you can get only better results from it, but you don't have to upgrade to that. So a big area that you can use AI or Chat GPT in this case to help you improve your Google Ads is more about understanding your customer and doing proper research. So if you don't really understand your customer, how are you going to market to them? Chat GPT can save you a lot of hours. You'd have to Google everything and just give you a really decent answer right here. Okay, so let's say we are going to do marketing for a gym in this point, and we don't know much about the gym niche or the what people want when they're trying to sign up for a gym. We don't know how to attract them, so we're going to get ideas using Chat GPT. One of the best ways you can use Chat GPT for doing research on your dream customer is by figuring out their pain points and their dream outcome. So let's say we're a gym and we want to get more people at our gym, but we don't really have a great understanding of our target market, what their pain points are and what their dreams are. So a simple prompt you can use is, what are the pain points of people who are looking to join a gym? So ChatGPT is going to give us a very informative answer that's actually really good. So the cost, the location, intimidation, lack of motivation, overcrowding, lack of variety, hygiene, cleanliness, contract terms, unhelpful staff, and safety concerns. And as an avid gym goer myself, all these factors are very crucial. You can use this as a point to say, okay, here are the pain points that my customers are constantly thinking. So you can even ask ChatGPT, how would a gym alleviate these pain points? And you can get ideas of what you can say or what you can do in your marketing to alleviate the pain points. For cost, you can offer flexible membership. So maybe when we're running ads, you can say something that flexible membership plans start at X dollars, no long commitments or discounts for longer commitments. And then location you can't really choose, but that's just based off where you open the gym or where the gym is. You can see ChatGPT is giving us pretty good answers to how to alleviate these pain points so we can incorporate them into our marketing. So definitely use that to figure out the pain points, but also you can take the same prompt to find what are their dream outcomes. So you can click paste here, and then instead of saying pain points, you can say what are the dream outcomes of people who are looking to join a gym. And then ChatGPT is going to give you a good answer. So you can get physical fitness, weight loss, increase energy, better health. So overall, we got so much data on the pain points, how to alleviate those pain points, and the dream outcomes of people who want to join the gym in literally 2 minutes. How you can also use ChatGPT is also figuring out the best offers. So you can type in the following prompt: what are the best offers to entice people to join a gym? Because ultimately, your marketing comes down to how well your offer is made. So here we can see different offers that we can possibly add: no contract membership, free trials, fitness challenge, group challenges, referral programs, welcome packages. So these are different offers you can go ahead and test, or you can combine the offers and say, we can do a free trial plus a discount plus no contract to make it more enticing to join your gym. So use ChatGPT to find offers that could work for your target market. So another way you can use it is seeing, okay, what do people usually want to see on the page before they end up calling your service overall? Because a lot of businesses and a lot of people who watch my videos, they want calls. So you can say, okay, what should people see on my landing page before they end up calling my gym? So here's a prompt you can use. So what things do people need to see before they call my gym? So of course, they're saying here having a website, location information, plans, class schedules, testimonials. These are things that you want on your landing page, so that way they see all this information and they know that you're a good gym to go to or you're a good business to go to. Another big way you can use ChatGPT to figure out some more research is to learn about the demographics of the people who would want to use your service. So that way, if you are using Google Ads or if using some sort of paid advertising, you can put more emphasis on the demographics that are most likely to use your service. So in this case, what are the demographics of people who are looking to join a gym? And it says young adults to millennials, professionals, health conscious individuals, fitness enthusiasts, empty nesters, retirees, and things. This gives you an idea of the different target markets you can go after, and you can say, hey, you can market to college students, give them a college discount or free trial if they show their student ID. There's a lot of different ways you can come up with different marketing material for the different demographics that could use your service. So for example, I would probably have a different offer for someone who is a parent than someone who is a college student. So you can think of that, and then you can even ask, how can I get college students to join my gym? So you could say offering student discount, flexible membership, convenient location, free trials. So maybe just student focused events. So this gives you a lot of different marketing ideas you can use, each of the different demographics that could use your service. So those are just a few of the ways you can use it for researching. That's how I do it for researching. So before this video, for example, I used ChatGPT to figure out on how to get you guys to like this video, and it's set to provide high quality content, share a mission, share a passion, and that's what I'm doing. Leaving a like lets me know that you do like videos just like this, and it really helps out. Okay, so now we're going to get into how to use ChatGPT to make your ads. So I use it primarily to create Google ads, but you can use this to help you create Facebook ads, Yelp ads, any type of advertising platform. So what I like to say is don't take these ads and copy and paste them word for word, because I believe they're a little bit too generic. However, use the ads as a starting point along with the research that you did, so that way you can make sure that the ads reflect not only what you offer, but the dream outcome, or relieving the pain points that people are going to see. So a prompt you can use in this case is write 10 Google ads for a gym, so whatever you're offering, trying to attract your target demographic, let's say young adults in this case. So we can see what ChatGPT comes up with. Get fit, feel great, join a gym today, unleash your inner athlete, transform your body, fitness made fun, get summer ready. These are pretty good headlines. These are good starting points. But join our young adult gym. That's kind of, I don't really like that headline. I mean, for the most part, so it is kind of generic. But we can see here, affordability is is a big impact. So you can say something like get fit and don't break the bank, or you can come up with a play on words here. So you can see here you can get some good ideas. However, how I really like to use ChatGPT is to change the tone of how the headlines sound. So if I want to say, hey, make these headlines more emotional, ignite your inner passion, discover your strength within, embrace the journey to a healthier you. These are a lot more emotional impacting than get fit and feel great and transform your body, right? So these hit the emotions really well. So I like to use ChatGPT to give me an idea of how can I change the tone to be either more emotional, more fun, more playful. And this is when I feel that I use a lot. This is why I started to use ChatGPT the most, because I mean, as a guy, just speaking for all my fellow men out there, it can be hard to be emotional. Help me become more emotional and get in a touch with my softer self. It's able to do that, and then I can use that for my ad copy for my Google ads, or you can use this ad copy for your landing page as well. So you can say, so write an emotional landing page headline for a gym trying to attract college kids. Fuel your campus journey with strength and resilience. Join our college kid fitness haven. So you can always have it regenerate the response if you don't like it. Embrace the power of fitness. Unlock your potential at our college gym. So another big way that not many people really use ChatGPT is to actually rate the ads that you currently have and see the pros and cons with it. So let's say we want to do this one. Ignite your passion for fitness. Transform at our gym. So you can say, what are the pros and cons of insert whatever headline or whatever thing you have. Pros: emotional appeal, call to action, aspiring message, unique selling proposition. Cons: lack of specificity, length, audience consideration, and clarity of transformation. And then you can ask ChatGPT, how can I fix those cons? So it would say, add specificity, and it'll give you headline ideas of, how you can make your ad more specific or how to add a unique selling proposition, shorten the headline, tailor the message to a target audience, you know, highlight the transformation. So it can give you very good ideas on the ads that you currently have. So this is what I do. So pretty much I take my ads, I paste it here, say what are the pros and cons, and then see, okay, how can I keep the pros and eliminate the cons? But just realize that you can't do it for every headline all the time, but this will give you good ideas on ways you can think about improving your headlines. So if you guys really do enjoy ChatGPT videos, I really actually am enjoying making this video right now because it's giving me more ideas on different prompts I could have. But I want to keep this video as concise as possible. But if you guys do like more of these, let me know in the comments, and let me know some prompts that you guys use in the comments to answer your common questions or to do your research or to do your marketing. Even if it is like, making funny Tinder bios or something like that, let me know in the comments. So this next section I'm going to talk about specifically relates to Google Ads, because you can use ChatGPT to get more keyword ideas when it comes to Google Ads or even SEO or anything like that. A prompt you can use is, what are some other phrases people type when they're looking to buy your service, or in this case looking to join a gym? So gyms near me, best gyms, affordable gyms. So you can see all these different keywords we can possibly target. And how I like to think of this is, this can give you a very good idea of how to create ad groups, especially with Google Ads, because you can have an ad group that says gym near me, best gym near me. You can have an ad group for fitness centers, ad group for affordable, different keyword ideas for ad groups, and then you can go into the Google Keyword Planner, find even more keywords related to these topics. And a really big way, especially for Google Ads, is you can use this to find negative keywords or things you don't want to bid for. So the biggest waste of money for local businesses is when they show up for competitor campaigns that they don't want to be showing up for. So if someone types in, Crunch Gym near me, and you're just John's Gym, if I'm looking for a Crunch Gym near me, I would have a membership with them and all things like that, and I click on an ad for your gym, John's Gym, that's going to be a waste of money for you. So you want to add that to your negative keyword list. So you can do something like make a list of nationwide gyms, hotels, salons, whatever you offer, and then ChatGPT is going to give you a good list for the most part, and you can add this in as a negative keyword. If you say, for example, make a list of gyms in Massachusetts, so ChatGPT is not going to have real-time access to external data on the internet. I'm pretty sure Copy AI actually might, so if you use that service, you might be able to get something closer. But it will tell you of how to find gyms in specific locations for the most part. You can go to like the Better Business Bureau, or it'll give you ideas on how to do that as well. And yeah, guys, these are just a few ways that you can use ChatGPT for your Google ads. But as I was making this video, you could use it for Facebook ads, just to understand your market a little bit more, and overall just make better ads, save you hundreds of hours of research. Hope you guys learned a thing or two from this video. Click on the video up there and you're going to learn how to do Google ads step by step throughout the whole entire way, and use ChatGPT to save you a lot of time when you're making the ads. I'll see you guys in that video. Take care.